Febi recommends that any diagnosis and maintenance is carried out by a fully trained vehicle technician.
A vehicle's suspension system operates millions of times during a vehicle's life, enduring many kinds of road surface and has constant erosion from the elements. The many suspension joints, bushes and bearings that make up a vehicle's suspension work together in unison to provide the driver, passengers and any load the vehicle is carrying with safe handling characteristics and comfort. It also has the ability to insulate the vehicle's body from noise, vibration and harshness. In time, the suspension system can become worn or damaged, losing its effectiveness, which can be heard, felt or seen. Frequent knocking or creaking noises can be heard and the steering can feel vague, causing uneven tire wear and giving poor contact with the surface of the road, which can affect the vehicle's braking ability. The challenge when repairing a vehicle's suspension system is being able to remove any of the bolts or fixings that secure the worn parts which are being replaced. The original bolts become corroded and weakened over time and needs to be freed off. Many different methods may be required to do this, including the use of penetrating fluid, heat, or the fixings being cut to remove them. This renders the original bolts not fit for purpose and is often overlooked during this type of repair. When repairing a vehicle's suspension system, it is vital that quality parts and fixings are used for a safe and competent repair. Febi provides many Prokit solutions with the necessary parts included for this kind of work, which have the correct new bolts included in the kit. The bolts are a vital part, which have high tensile strength for securing safety-critical components, with excellent clamping force and an anti-corrosion coating for longer service life. These bolts also have leading threads for easy fitment and a thread lock treatment to resist loosening during operation. The rear trailing arm bushes on this featured vehicle can deteriorate and are a common failure, which causes the suspension to come out of alignment. These can be replaced separately from the arm. To do this, a special tool is required to ensure the correct removal. Once removed, the arm needs to be cleaned before the new bush is installed. It is imperative that the new bush is aligned for the correct operation of the suspension. There are alignment points on the arm and the bush to help with this. The new bush is then pulled into position using the special tool. Once the new trailing arm bushes are fitted, refit the trailing arm and all fixings and cables, ensuring all the new suspension bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's torque settings, with the suspension in its neutral position. With all the replacement parts fitted, lower the vehicle and tighten the wheel nuts. Finally, carry out a road test to check that the vehicle's suspension is correctly operating.